योगेन चित्तस्य परेण वाचा मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोक्तं प्रवरं मुनिना पतंजलि प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि. Pratyahar means conquering the senses, obtaining conscious control over the senses, withdrawal of senses. Lord Patanjali has introduced Pratyahar in Ashtanga Yoga Darshana of Patanjali at fifth place. On one side, Yama Niyama Asana Pranayam, on other side, in Bahiranga Yoga, on other side, Dharana Dhyana Samadhi in Antaranga Yoga. And Pratyahara as a swinging bridge in between Antaranga Yoga and Bahiranga Yoga. The term itself is a self-explanatory. Pratyahar is a prati-ahar, means reverse of the ahar. Before knowing what is the reverse of the ahar, let us understand what ahar is. According to Yoga Shastra, ahar means whatever we take inside through all five senses, from the ears, from the eyes, from the surface layer of the skin, from the tongue, from the nose, whatever we take inside is termed as ahar. So, sound is the ahar of ears, image is the ahar of eyes, taste is the ahar of tongue, touch is the ahar of surface layer of the skin, and fragrance is the ahar of nose. All these activities are taking place according to the law of nature. Santa Gyaneshwara says, Pai manadi sahi indriye kshotradi prakriti karye teth majhe manani hoya vyapara. Then if all the activities of the senses are natural activities, why Patanjali felt a need to introduce Pratyahar in Sadhana Pada 2/54 and 2/55? When all the activities from the ears, from the nose, from the eyes, from the surface layer of the skin goes to the brain, there sits a committee. And there are 5 members in that committee. Who are they? They are Manabuddhi, Antakarana, Aham Bhava Chittam. And according to the law of nature, the discretionary intelligence should have been the head of the committee. But mind has done some conspiracy. He has bluffed the senses and pulled the discretionary intelligence down and taken the position of the head of the committee. And that has it is leading towards the desire, towards the anger, towards the thirst, towards the lust, towards all shadowy pose, towards acquisition, towards competition. And it has created chaos in the life, which is the obstruction for the progress in yoga. So, Patanjali says, Svavishaya asamprayoge chitta swarupanukar ive indriyana pratyaharaha. In 2/54, he says, Svavishayas, if the senses are disconnected from the object of their interest, then they follow the original state of the chitta, that is the chitta swarupa. In Pratyahar, we are going to understand 3 sutris. This is an introduction, short introduction of Pratyahar, 3 sutris, that is the senses, object of the senses, and the involvement of the mind in the object of the senses. Senses are fixed, but we can alter, we can uplift, we can uttishta, we can elevate the object of the senses so that the involvement of the mind will be reduced. And if the involvement of the mind in the object of the senses is reduced, then the control of the senses will be shifted from mind to discretionary intelligence. And that is our aim, final goal of Pratyahar. We want a freedom from this slavery of the senses. So, senses are involved in their svavishayas in the different ways. For an example, we have to judiciously observe ourselves, our senses are involved in, what are their object of interest, and how we can elevate. For an example, what we like to hear from the ears: DJ, PJ, RJ, that means drum jockey, poor jokes, or radio jockey, or the chaos, the struggles on the streets, the quarrels in the neighbor's house. So, judiciously, honestly, if we observe what my ears want to hear, then the evolution process of evolution will be started, and we will see that whether my ears are interested in listening the music of the singing birds around, listening the flow sound of the flow of water in the river, the sound of the waves at the bank of the sea, or the finest sound in my body played by the nature in the form of heartbeats. The most subtle sound was heard by Sant Kabir. He says, चींटी के पैर में नुपुर. चींटी कितनी छोटी, उसका पैर कितना छोटा, और उसके पैर में नुपुर. चींटी के पैर में नुपुर, वो भी अल्लाह सुनता है. क्यों चिल्लाता अल्लाह अल्लाह, यह अल्लाह क्या बहरा है. This way we can uplift the object, uttishtha the object, and because of this upliftment of the object of the senses, the control, the involvement of the mind will be reduced, and the control will be shifted. So this is the introduction of Pratyahar. Patanjali has introduced Pratyahar in Ashtanga Yoga Darshan, Sadhana Path of Ashtanga Yoga Darshan, that is 2/54, by saying Savishayas Asamprayoge Chitta Swarupankara Evendriyana Pratyahara. In the forthcoming videos, we will be expanding this sutra 2/54 and 2/55. Thank you.